Billions of people use electronic devices every single day. Smartphones, laptops, medical equipment, industrial machines, and even cars. And inside every one of these products is a technology that makes everything work together, the printed circuit board or PCB. So what exactly is a PCB? A printed circuit board is a framework that mechanically supports and electrically connects electronic components using copper pathways called traces. Before PCBs became common, electronic circuits were connected using point-to-point wiring. These designs were bulky, difficult to manufacture, and prone to wiring errors. Computers once occupied entire rooms. Today, devices with far greater processing power fit inside your pocket. Advanced PCB technologies made this miniaturization possible. You can think of a PCB like an advanced electrical wire. A typical wire has a metal conductor in the center that carries electricity and an insulating layer around it that prevents short circuits. A PCB works in a very similar way. The copper traces act like the conductor, carrying electrical signals and power between components. The dielectric material, usually FR4, acts like the insulation, separating conductive layers and preventing unwanted electrical connections. And just like the protective coating on a wire, the solder mask protects the copper traces from damage and accidental short circuits. Finally, electronic components are attached to the PCB, allowing the entire circuit to perform its intended function. Even though the basic principle is the same, there are many types of PCBs. The simplest designs are single-sided and double-sided PCBs, commonly used in consumer electronics, power supplies, and industrial controls. As electronics became more complex, engineers needed more routing space. Multilayer PCBs stack multiple copper layers together, enabling compact designs, better signal integrity, and higher component density. Here, vias provide electrical connections between the different copper layers. When even more miniaturization is required, designers turn to HDI technology. High-density interconnect, PCBs use microvias, blind vias, buried vias, and fine traces to fit more circuitry into a smaller area. Some applications require circuits that can bend and flex. Flex PCBs are built using flexible materials, making them ideal for wearable devices, cameras, medical equipment, and aerospace systems. Rigid flex PCBs combine the advantages of rigid and flexible circuits. They reduce the requirement of connectors, improve reliability, save space, and are widely used in automotive, medical, and military electronics. Here is a brief overview of the PCB development process. First, engineers define the electrical and mechanical requirements. Next, the PCB is designed using EDA tools, where the schematic, layout, and routing are created. The design then undergoes a DFM review to identify potential manufacturing issues and ensure reliable production. Once approved, the design moves to PCB fabrication, where the bare board is manufactured layer by layer. Finally, electronic components are assembled onto the fabricated board, creating a fully functional PCB. Visit protoexpress.com for end-to-end PCB manufacturing and assembly services, including rigid, flex, and HDI technologies. Download our PCB design guides to learn more. Follow us for more PCB content.